Buehler's been in the marketplace for over 100 years. You can tell the pride we take in our facilities, in the trucks, and in the men we put out on the street. They're in uniform, they look great, and they're really focused on the customer experience, just to make sure we really provide the move that a customer is looking for.
During your move, you will have two primary contacts. Number one, the salesman who has surveyed your home will be a primary contact, as well as your personal move coordinator. Your personal move coordinator will be in touch with you throughout the entire move. They will give you a call 24 hours in advance to load day, pack day, delivery day. You may also track your shipment online at any given time.
Moving is a very difficult situation. What we try and do is take the pain away from people and try and make it simple and simplify their lives. And it's one of the most stressful things you can do. So we're always trying to find a solution or a better way to make it easier for the customer to fulfill their needs. And that's why we specialize in everything from international to local moves. We do everything. We have to have the people that have the right attitude to go out and take care of the customer so that they do feel like we're doing the right thing for them.